Juice WRLD in 30 seconds. Rest in peace, brother.
Oh, why don't you still feeling righteous? I know that the truth is hard to digest. 5 or 6 pills in my right hand, codeine on a thrower on my nightstand, taking medicine to fix all of the damage. My anxiety the size of a planet, holes in my soul. Over time my heart's override.